SEO, where each week we brief you on the latest search engine changes you need to know for your business. We want to thank you, as always, whether it's live or on the replay, for tuning in. It is our goal to provide some transparency in what is going on out there in the search engine community and how does it affect your business. And so this is, as always, an exciting week in the search engine land community. Google actually released a new tool that looks a lot like Pinterest. We want your opinion. It is called Keen. So Google launches this new app that is called Keen, which provides new personalized search discovery social mashup images. And CJ Adams was actually the co-project lead from Google on this new release and made the statement last week, what are we doing? My wife asked as we both looked up from our phones one evening. I'm sure that we all can relate, just looking across the room and seeing our significant other on the phone, and we're doing the same thing, scrolling through feeds. My wife asked as we both looked up from our phones one evening, as we've been browsing through feeds of posts of images and news for hours on end, mindlessly filling the gaps between work and sleep. This is our one precious life, she told me. And that week, CJ Adams speaking, we started collecting some of the things that brought us joy and shared them with each other. We found that collecting related ideas, links, and resources together gave us a way to spend more time on our shared passions in real life. And voila, Keen, Google's new competitive product to Pinterest, was born and released. So most people that we have spoken to that have downloaded Keen and started using it, again, the feel is Pinterest. So Keen has an opportunity to be Google's way to collect social data on its users, as you know, Google rivals Facebook, which has all of this type of data that Google doesn't have. It also has that social networking and community feel that Google is lacking. And as Google has released products that have failed but have often helped with this, Keen is their latest version of this. So we want you to download it, test out Keen, let us know. This is not sponsored. We are just curious on what you think of Google's new competitive product. Do you think that it will compete with Pinterest? And of course, this is big tech, Google's way of getting more into your social and personal life. They know what you're searching for, but what it is that you're dreaming about and visualizing, what does your summer look like? They don't know until you search. And so Keen is going to be that step into the door for Google into your social life. So take a look, let us know. This is very much a Google-based update here this morning. YouTube actually rolled out testing a new shoppable product ad that launched below YouTube videos. So this is YouTube's way of getting businesses and marketers to really pay attention and market that video, that online video content that everybody is pushing. People watch more videos than they read or even listen to podcasts. So YouTube is adding this new e-commerce ad unit below YouTube videos that allow businesses to show their products. So you can have your video ad, and if you're a car dealer, you can show actual inventory but that's shoppable right to your vehicle's detail page right under that YouTube video. If you are targeting women, let's say with handbags, you can have a handbag ad running on YouTube, and right below it, they don't even have to click on the ad. They can click on the products that you're talking about within that video content. So YouTube explained this is to help businesses establish a stronger e-commerce presence. We're experimenting with a new way to make your actionable video ads more shoppable, complementing your ad with browsable product inventory to inspire the next purchase. So they provide, if you just Google YouTube adding new e-commerce product listing, you're going to see the example that show the YouTube video and then right beneath it shoppable products. So this is brand new. It's just released. And if you have already jumped the gun and started initiating this ad, good for you, but it is still in experimental phases. So if you are going to an ad agency or you're currently working with one and you're asking about this, just as the internet changes so rapidly, so do the ways that your agency can market your product. And this is brand new. And so there's not a lot of benchmark data to really say what that conversion increase should look like. So YouTube, they haven't really released again any information on benchmarks. Should you get a 1%, 2%, 5% return on your investment? They are simply just stating that they expect this to drive more conversions and more click-through activity to your products versus maybe your homepage if you're serving up a video ad that's related to several products. So huge ability for you, especially if you know you're consuming video content on YouTube and you see ads, for your business to start initiating this new e-commerce product ad listing campaign on YouTube. So thank you. We hope that these two updates brought to you by Guardian Owl, of course, centered around Google this week, because there is a lot in the news just from those two announcements as well. There are bigger things going on with Twitch, with Instagram, with Facebook. So if you find this content valuable, please tune in every Wednesday with Wake Up with SEO, or subscribe to our Honest and Digital Weekly. You can find that at guardianowdigital.com, and these updates are sent right to your inbox every single Monday, so you can stay on top of the latest and greatest search engine changes each week that you need to know and maybe impacting your business. Thank you for tuning in, whether that's on the replay or live. We appreciate you, and we hope that you have a safe week. See you next week at the Nest.